who did you find? Oh, wow. How did they get here? Ducks, we have some bread for you. Yeah, go get the bread to the ducks. Yeah? Oh, they're getting away. You better go get them. Whoa, they're flying away. Goodbye, ducks. Oh, where did they go, Alex? Let's go find some more ducks.
Okay, that is fun.
Will it?
Yeah, that is fun. We gotta come together.
Okay. Yeah, let's go find some more ducks because those flew away.
They're kind of fun.
Okay.